Okay, so let's go over problem number 1. It says that the original price of the mug is $15 and we want to mark it up 20%. So we are going to move that decimal over to the left 2 places. Move it left 2 places and we get our part equals our markup percentage, which is 20%, which is 0.20, times our original price, which is $15. So I'm going to take 0.2 times 15, and I get 3 equals my part. So again, this is how much I'm going to mark up my mug. So that means I'm going to take $15 plus $3, which will give me $18 for this mug. Seems a little expensive for a mug, but you do you. All right. Number 2, we have a watch that's $30 and we're going to mark that up 25%. So we are going to move that decimal to the left 2 places. So we have our part equals 0.25 times my original price, which was $30 for the watch. 0.25 times 30 is $7.50. So this is my markup. So I'm going to add $30 plus $7.50. So my new total will be $37.50. So that's my total. That's my new price. All right. Again, we have $5 socks. So I have my part equals, and then I have $5 socks, and I want to mark them up 10%. So I'm going to do 1, 2 to the left, which is the same as just doing 10 divided by 100. You still get 0.10. So I have 0.10, or just 0.1, times $5. So 0.1 times 5 gives me 50 cents. That's my markup. So now to get my new price, I'm going to do $5 plus 50 cents equals $5.50. Forgot my money sign here. So you're making a 50-cent profit off of each pair of socks that you sell for $5.50. All right, and that is all we have for 6.5. So I'm going to let you go ahead and go over to your big ideas.